Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are well. In this video, we will go through the question answers and the work page of Unit 1, that is Maps. In our previous video, a detailed explanation of this unit has been given. So, now we will just go through the question answers that are given on page number 5 and the work page exercises on page number 6. Let's just go through the questions here quickly. Number 1. What information would you find on a physical and a political map? Number 2. Differentiate between meridians of longitude and parallels of latitude. Number 3. How do we show directions on a map? Number 4. How can we find a place on a map? Number 5. Find Pakistan using the index of an atlas. Write down the page number and the coordinates or grid reference. So these are the 5 questions that we're going to answer. Now we will go through the answers of the questions. The first question is, what information would you find on a physical and a political map? So here they're asking us what information we get when we open a physical map and a political map. So a physical map shows us the hills, mountains, rivers, valley and other landforms. Whereas when we look at a political map, it shows us the towns, the cities and borders between the countries. Our next question is, differentiate between meridians of longitude and parallels of latitude. Here we have to define and tell the difference between the meridians of longitude and parallels of latitude. So, meridians of longitude, they are the vertical lines drawn from north to south, passing through the north and south poles. These lines running north to south are basically called meridians of longitude. And when we go to the parallels of latitude, they are the horizontal lines drawn from east to west parallel to the equator. Equator is an imaginary line which is at the center of the globe. These lines running east to west are called parallels of latitudes. So the next question is, how do we show directions on a map? We show directions on a map using the cardinal directions. What are the cardinal directions? These are the north, south, east and west. By looking at these directions, we can tell we can show in what direction a city or a country is in. Our next question is, how can we find a place on a map? So we cannot just open a map and could easily find a place. So for our ease and our help, we look at the keys that are on a map to find any place. And our last question is, find Pakistan using the index of an atlas. Write down the page number and the coordinates or grid reference. I hope you all are well known with Atlas, that it is a book that tells and that shows all the maps of the world along with their cities and other major things. So when we open the Atlas, we find Pakistan on page number 49 and grid reference C4. Let's just move on to the work page and see what we have here. There are 2 questions that we're going to answer. In question A, we'll point out the major cities of Pakistan by using the directions, and in part B we will fill in the blanks with suitable words from the lesson. Now let's just take help from the direction and solve this question. If you live in Multan, which is fairly central town of Pakistan? Multan is a city of Pakistan, right? Show where the following cities are on the outline map. Here we have a map of Pakistan. With the help of this descriptive key, you are going to point out these major cities. So, number 1 is Karachi is to the south near the sea. I'm giving you 2 to 3 seconds to find Karachi on the map. Very good. So, Karachi is to the south. Number 2, Quetta is to the west. Now, quickly find Quetta on the map. There you go. Quetta is in the west. Number 3, Lahore. Lahore is to the east, near the border with India. Now see, where is India? India lies in the east. So, quickly find out Lahore there. Yes, there you go. So, Lahore is to the east. Now it's Peshawar's turn. Peshawar is to the northwest towards the border with Afghanistan. Here you could see Afghanistan, so it is a hint. Now point out Peshawar. There you go. So Peshawar is to the northwest. Now let's move to Islamabad. Islamabad is to the north. And what is Islamabad? Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. So let's find Islamabad on the map. There it is. So Islamabad is to the north. Very good. Now our next question is part B. Fill in the blanks with suitable words from the lesson. Number 1. Parallel of dash runs from east to west round the world. Number 2. The 0-degree meridian passes through a place called dash in London. Number 3. The dash on a map shows us distances and sizes. Number 4. The dash on a map tells us what symbols and colors mean. Number 5. The dash meridian is exactly opposite the 0-degree meridians. For your ease, we have given you these word bank at the bottom. With the help of these words, you're going to fill in the blank. So, the number 1 word is Greenwich, keys, latitude, 180 degree and scale. So now you have to solve these blank on your own. Time's up. Now let's just tally our answers. Fill in the blanks with suitable words from the lesson. Number 1. Parallel of dash runs from east to west round the world. Parallel of latitude. I hope you've got the same answer. Number 2. The 0-degree meridian passes through a place called dash in London. What's that place called? Greenwich. Very good. Number 3. The dash on a map shows us distances and sizes. What shows on a map? The scale on a map shows us distances and sizes. Number 4. The dash on a map tells us what symbols and colors mean. the keys on a map. Very good. Number 5. The dash meridian is exactly opposite to 0 degree meridians. That is the 180 degree. Meridian is exactly opposite to the 0 degree meridian. Very nice. Activity time. Now I will assign you a task, but first of all, what you have to do is open your OAPP books on page number 29. You've opened it? Good. So here you could see a map of Islamabad, and by the use of cardinal directions, you're going to answer some questions with the use of this map. Now, you have to answer these following questions, but remember, your answer should be of one word. Question number 1. Page 29 shows the map of Islamabad. What is in the north of Shakkarpadiya? Right? You have to find Shakkarpadiya on the maps and you have to see what is to its north. Question number 2. Shah Faisal Masjid is near to two sectors. Name them. Same goes here. You have to find Faisal Masjid. Then you're going to look for the sectors that are near to it. Question number 3. Which city is in the south of Islamabad? Just how Islamabad itself is a city, but by looking at its south, you have to find out the city that lies there. Question number 4. Which color is showing residential area? You have to look at the map and see that what is the color of the places that are residentials. I hope you have got your answers. Now, let's just tally our answers. Number 1. What is in the north of Shakkarpadiya? Where is Shakkarpadiya? There it is. And what is in its north? That is Jinnah Stadium. Good. Number 2. Shah Faisal Masjid is near to two sectors. Name them. Where is Faisal Masjid? There it is. What two sectors are near to it? Sector E7 and E8. Very good. Number 3. Which city is in the south of Islamabad? Look at the cardinal direction and see the direction south. What do we have here? Rawalpindi. So, Rawalpindi is to the south of Islamabad. Question number 4. Which color is showing residential area? Now, what do we have here? Yes, all the pink blocks on the map are showing the residential areas. Very good. Now, it's time to say goodbye. But don't worry, we will be back with another video, another fun activity, and another good lesson. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and yes, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.